How to pay on Facebook Marketplace. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your account. Once you are logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. And then move into Settings. Inside Settings, move into Payments. The option of Facebook Pay will be visible to you. Click on it. Now click on Add Payment Method. 2 options will be visible to you. One is credit or debit card and the other is PayPal. Select any of the payment method that will be suitable for you. Let's say I want to add my credit card. Click on Credit or Debit Card. Now you will need to enter some of your card informations. First of all, enter your card number. Also enter the year and the CVV. Select the specific country. Once you have entered, tap on Save at the top right corner. The payment method will be successfully added. Now whenever you try to purchase something from the Facebook Marketplace, it will redirect you to your credit card during the time of payment. So that's it, and this is simply how you can pay on Facebook Marketplace. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.